Greetings from AppiWorks. AppiWorks is an intelligent platform to integrate and automate with any application. Data Studio is an online visualization tool from Google to prepare custom reports and dashboards. Data Studio heavily relies on the connectors to interface and get data from various applications. You can see these are the connectors. Some of the connectors are from Google and large majority of the connectors are from the partners. AppiWorks Data Studio Connector is a single connector that brings data from all the applications that AppiWorks platform integrates with. So let's get into the demo and see AppiWorks Data Studio Connector in action. So AppiWorks can be launched from here, or you can look for Google Data Studio Connectors and you can see a list of connectors here as well, and search for AppiWorks. You see this connector, click on it. So you can click on learn more, that takes you to the documentation and that has the steps and instructions to see how to install, how to operate and all that. So let's go ahead and authorize the connector first. The single permission that is required is connecting to the external service. Let's allow this. Once this is done, you can see that a set of instructions that is telling you how to create a connection. It says there is no connection available, so you have to click on the below link to create a new connection. So click on that link. That takes you to the AppiWorks platform so that you can establish a new connections. You can pick and choose any of the application AppiWorks integrates with. So for this demo, let me choose HubSpot CRM. Let me call this connection as HubSpot connection. I'll go ahead and authorize it. Let me log into HubSpot and connect with one of the organization there. So HubSpot connection is now established. Let's go ahead and save this. So once this is established, we can come back to Data Studio Connector and refresh this. You can now see that one connection is appearing here. Let me pick that up. This is HubSpot connection that we have just now created. Click on next. You can now see the available objects from HubSpot: contacts, tickets, deals, products, companies, and all these objects that are available in HubSpot. So let me choose contacts. Let me click on next. So let's go ahead and click on connect. So now it will go and show you the schema that are available, the fields that are available in the contacts object. These are all the fields that are available in the contacts object. Let's go ahead and create the report. Okay, you can now see that first name, last name, email and company name, and this informations are appearing here. So likewise, you can add more and more data sources here. You can add data sources by adding connections and establish connections to the available applications here. And you can pick and choose whichever application that you want, and that will come back as a data source here. You can pick that up and use that back in your report here. and you can use any kind of control types to bring in visualization based on the data from various applications that AppiWorks supplied you. So it is that simple to integrate with any application and take data from there and use Data Studio to visualize that using AppiWorks Data Studio Connector. Thank you for watching.